Have you ever wondered why websites seem to look similar to one another? This is because a majority of websites are built using website builders that are a no-code solution, but utilize templates in order to create the design. And in this way, eventually, many of the sites start looking the same because there are only slight changes happening from one website to another. And one way to solve this issue is to learn how to code. And specifically, you want to learn the language of CSS or cascading style sheets, because this is a language that is responsible for styling. And by using CSS, you can override the template and add customization to your website, but still be able to use the speed that many website builders provide. So this is one trick that will help you to make websites that stand out from the crowd, that don't look like everybody else's websites. And this will give you an edge as a designer to land the clients that are looking for a custom solution as opposed to another template design that either they can just do themselves or hire a designer who maybe doesn't have that additional coding skill to provide that website for them. Because these days you only have about 2 seconds to catch someone's attention. And by having a unique website, you're more likely to do this, and your client will be happy that leads to their website are converted to customers rather than moving on because they don't see anything different about the service that's going to be provided through the design that they see. So take the time to learn how to code and help yourself to build more customized website solutions for your clients. Presented by Designers Learn Code.